What's up, everybody? January 26, 2024, and today we're back on the Route 66 road trip. We're starting here at Needles, California. This right here is a borax wagon. They used to carry the borax on Route 66. So let's go hit the trail. Right here, this is Goff Schoolhouse, and it was constructed in 1914. It operated until 1937, and it is a one-teacher school, 1st through 8th grade. It was restored in 1989, and it is now listed on the National Historic Register. 1921 Buick Coupe. And over here, they got 1928 Graham truck. So when we went to Schoolhouse, they gave us this official guide to the Mojave Desert Heritage and Culture Association. It's numbered, and next to the artifacts, they have the number here. So this is 76. So if you look in the book, 76 is right here. Nevada Iron Works 2-stamp mill. And then you could just read the little description. Well organized, you can see everything is all laid out. I see trailers here, so you could do camping here too. This is What? Dude. So we're driving along Route 66 and we found this lion dragon statue. Pretty cool. And to get here, when we pulled off the road, it was a little shady. So if you're driving in a car, I don't recommend it. But if you have a dope van like us, all-wheel drive, baby, Ford Transit 2021, you could do it. Roy's Motel Cafe. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 motels here. They're all abandoned. Let's go check one out. First we saw a lion dragon, and now we found a Buddha. It's right down the street from Roy's Motel, and this one is covered with all kinds of stickers. Dude. Gassed up my van, it was like half a tank and it was like 87 bucks. Gas here is $6.18 for mid-grade. California, what's going on here? We made it to Baghdad Cafe, and right as soon as we stepped out to take a photo, this dog came running out barking at us. So he's guarding it, so no photo for us, and here's a scaredy cat. So this is what's left of Hemming Motel.
Tomorrow? No?
Yeah.
Not tomorrow. Wait, tomorrow? Look, they have a double Big Mac.
Dude, this McDonald's looks like a train station.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
There's also like 2 people that Oh my
fine.
God, they have a machine.
Look at all this candy right here.
Oh, look, you guys have a machine.
So this is what it looks like in the Barstow station. You got Tea and Grill, you got a Panda Express, you got Pretzel Shop. They got the trains out here. You got some jerky, you got some souvenirs, Route 66, and you got McDonald's. Look at Zoltar. Hello, sir. We just got done with Barstow Station. Rain picked me up some Panda Express, and now I took her to the outlets here at Barstow. So she's gonna go inside.
I'm getting ready.
Here are all the stores. Let me go to the roof. I'll show you guys all the stores on my roof. All right, so these are all the stores. They got Tommy Hilfiger, Calvin Klein, Polo Ralph Lauren, Coach, New Balance, Claire's, DKNY, Columbia. There's a Holiday Inn right there. Old Navy, Guess, Volcom, Bath and Body Works, Asics, Vans. Pretty decent. And there's also a California Welcome Center. That's about it for today, guys. We're gonna call it a night. We got a harvest host tonight, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
See ya.
She's walking off into the sunset.